Hi friends, I am back. Thank you guys so much for your support on the channel. Thank God I am doing so much better than I was doing the last time I posted the video. And so I am just being thankful that I am able to do this once more. Welcome back. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the community. I appreciate it immensely. Now, I have something behind me there that will be a part of our whole that we are trying to accomplish here in the countryside. If you guys want to see more about that, you can just check out on Google, just put in the Petal Place property and you will see a little more of what I'm talking about, and I'll take you there soon. But before I do that, I want to take a little more time just to say I appreciate your support a lot on the channel. For you watching the videos, engaging, your comments mean so much. During the time when I was away for maybe over 3 weeks or so, and during that time I would still check up. I did a couple posts on the community with the flowers in the garden that actually helped to lift my spirits every day. Yeah, so I was also gonna say the channel has gotten over 100 new subscribers in the last 28 days, and I appreciate you guys so much. Welcome. I hope you will enjoy the videos that I upload. Always leave your comments. Let me know what you think, because those comments, a lot of those comments really got me through, or at least helped to get me through the last period of time while I was inactive. Okay, so without further ado, let's go on and check out that camper. Yeah, we are on our way to the camper, the new addition. New addition. I'm so excited to get my hands on it, to do some design inside, although it's in pretty good condition. So I don't think we'll be changing much, because my husband and I have agreed that we wanted to still have that retro feel. Oh, this window at the back is not open. My husband's the one that usually operates it, so let me see if I can go and open it. Figured it out. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's cooking. I think that's good enough. Yeah, I figured it out, guys. Okay, so yeah, I opened that window. We got it actually with two gas tanks. So what they are, yeah, gas cylinders at the back. Let me take you around and just show you the side here, and all the windows are intact. For now, my husband has put it down on some tarps. We're gonna be eventually putting it on gravel, but he has put it down on some tarps because he said that if he puts it down over the green vegetation, it will actually cause the underside to rust. And so yeah, we laid the tarps, and now there we go. That's the entrance there. So let's go inside and check it out. And it has AC, guys. It has AC, and the AC works like a charm. Look at that. We're going in. Back here, we have 2 seats, right? And so we can sit maybe 4 people in here, and another 2 or 3, whatever. But eventually, anyways, what we'll do is advertise it as sleeping 4, just 4 people, right? And so this is how we get, before I show you how we get the beds, let's just check this out. This is actually a table here, and it has a gate leg, and the gate leg opens up. You could use this for eating, or possibly even playing a card game or dominoes. I'm just showing you around right now inside, and you get an idea of the condition. And then in another video, I'll actually show you guys what we're going to change and what's going to remain. So stay tuned for that one. Let me just put this away so I can actually show you guys how these transform into beds. Now this one sleeps 2, should be able to sleep at least 2 people. So you basically just pull this out, and there we go. We have ourselves a bed. Push it back in. It's a seat. Now this one's the same thing. You pull it out, you get a single bed. Say 1 person, right? Push it back in, you have your seat. When I entered the unit, you would have noticed that there was a mattress here. We put that mattress here because we were testing up here to see how we could fit the mattress there, because it is actually for sleeping. However, when we are hosting guests, we will not be using this as a sleeper, because we don't want to take on that liability for somebody to be climbing up here. And I'm going to put it up. We will just market it as storage, so you can put all your belongings up there. You have ample space for storage. So I'll just go ahead and latch this in place. The unit came with these lovely little curtains, which I am liking a lot. They're triple pleated cafe curtains. The only problem is on the other side, they both have water stains. So I'm gonna have to research to see if I can get rid of water stain. If you're watching this video and you know how I can possibly get rid of water stain, then you can just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And because I really want to keep them, I just like them. I like the color. I like this earth tone, and so that's going to be a part of the whole design decor in here in the end. And so let me know, how can I get rid of water stains? We are in the kitchen, and the kitchen has a lovely little sink, which is saying the top, the countertop, I'm not 100% sold on, so we're not quite sure, but for sure this backsplash is saying. In the corner here we have the stove, and the stove does work. Actually, there is propane in one of those cylinders outside, and my hubby was able to light all 4 burners so they work. I'm not so sure if he tested the oven, but yeah, there's an oven too, so you can be on vacation and you can be roasting a chicken or a cake or whatever you want to roast. So this is propane. All the lights that are on right now, they're from hydro, because we do have a separate hydro for a meter for our home, one different from where we have the accessory building and my studio slash decor store. And so we have hooked up the trailer to the meter on the business side of the property, so to speak. The fridge, it doesn't work, it doesn't cool, and so the fridge will have to come out. The fridge is actually a propane fridge. Not quite sure why it won't work, but I think my hubby is just planning to replace it with something that runs off electricity. And so that's that for the fridge. Just gotta push that thing and it stays closed. No, let's save that. Right here is the dining area. But guess what, guys? It actually transforms. All right, so let me show you how this transforms. First thing we need to do is to get the cushions out. Get the cushions out. And then the game leg table, we get this leg under. We pull this out from the wall, we put it down, and yeah, you know what happens next. The cushions go in We have a sleeping space for one person, or 2 little people could sleep here actually. Let's take you behind door number 2. There we go. It's the bathroom, you all. Down here we have a bowl, and guess what? It's actually a flush bowl, my friends. So the idea is for us to get like a septic holding tank. We don't want to do a full blown out septic with a weeping bed and whatever. We have that for the home. Okay, so yeah, we don't have to change anything here, but we may be changing something here. And of course we definitely have to do something in the bath here, because I don't know if you can see it, but the owner said that the water leaked from outside and it damaged the walls in the shower. But check it out, you can actually do a bath here, or you can do a shower. So we are thinking of ways that we'll be dealing with this. So just follow along, guys, and you'll see what we do. Maybe you can learn a thing or two, or maybe we can learn a thing or two from you guys. Just shoot all your comments below the video. Let me know what you think. This is the end of the tour. There's actually a fan over the top here. I can actually look at that. You can let light. I am so excited about this. I am happy that we decided to purchase it. It is a very good deal. The idea initially was to do bunkies, but it's so much better for us to source trailers than to do bunkies, because it's a great option. It comes with a lot, like your stove and your AC would never be able to put in a bunkie. Okay, so that is it, my friends. Or at least one of my next project that I am so looking forward to. Please stick with us. Thanks for supporting my channel. I appreciate it immensely. I'll see you in the next video.